Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Nika and welcome back to another episode of Keeping Up with Nika. Guys, we are in JA. As you guys know, we're enjoying life because you know you only live once. Guys, today we are going to River Rapids in Chelani. It is a 2.5-hour drive, guys. What are they talking about? What are they talking about, guys? I don't know what they're talking about. Hungry, baby. I got bubblegum, guys. I'm hungry. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna have so much fun. We got our bags packed already.
Right? 13. Yeah.
They're doing mathematics, guys.
1 and 3.
But we have a long drive, guys, so I'll keep you guys posted on this. So guys, we're almost here and I'm bored, so I'm trying to see if the gang could copy what I say. So the first thing you have to say is I, L to the O to the V to the E to the I O U.
Wait, say it slowly.
I, L to the O to the V to the E to the I O U. I love you. Go ahead, Jay.
I, L to the V to the I, O, U.
Nah, your turn. Wrong.
I to the B to the E.
You have to spell I love you.
Oh.
I, L to the
okay.
O
Okay,
to the
okay.
V
Okay.
to the E.
Okay.
Okay, go.
I to the
I.
shush. I to the V O shush.
I, L to the O to the V to the E to the Y, O,
Bob, you get it. Your turn, Dada.
I to the B to the
Spell love. You know how to spell love. You have to say L first and O, remember?
Mm-hmm.
So go. I.
L V
No.
B O V. Well, I messed up. Wait, one more time. Watch and learn.
Watch and learn.
Wait, first let me get my brain right quick, okay?
Okay. I, L to the O to
Okay,
the
I
V.
get it now. I get it.
Okay.
Ready? I to the V to the O and to a E. Wait, I messed up. I can't forget. Okay. Mommy, you need to say it one more time slowly.
I, L.
L to the O to the B to the E to the I O U. Okay. L-O-V-E.
Great job, girl.
I get it right?
Give it to me. Yep, you got it right. Guys, we are here. Guys, we're going through this little road right now, and it's kind of bumpy, but the water looks so refreshing down there.
But guys, that look like it has sharks in there. No, for real.
No sharks.
No, it looks like it's sharks in there.
No sharks.
Mom, there's sharks in there. Stop playing with me.
Sharks like in there.
We're here, guys. Woohoo. Say hi, Nana. You can't go on. We'll follow you. Oh my goodness, we're going on the rocky bridge. Don't fall. 5-minute walk, guys. We have to walk 5 minutes to...
Hold on.
Guys, we're walking. He said it's a 5-minute walk. Jay's over there. Look at him being a soldier. Babe, you want to hold mine? He's so nice, guys. Look at him. My king. And look at Nana, guys. Nana is walking, and that's the guy holding hers. It's so beautiful. I'm kind of scared, guys, because, you know, your girl don't like nothing high. But we are helmeted up, padded up. We are ready, guys. Okay. So they are licensed here, guys. Licensed lifeguards. Every year they have to renew their permits and stuff, which is so cool. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, electricity.
Yeah, we have a dam 7 miles up the river. These areas are limestone. So what they do, they cut them
Uh-huh.
from the water down. Fish up to 35.
Oh, wow. He said there's fish in here that weigh up to 35 pounds, babe.
Uh-huh.
That is so nice.
Crayfish are like lobster.
Oh.
No. He's going to tell you where you can go.
Gonna get wet before we go.
Is the water cold?
Refreshing.
Refreshing? It is so beautiful.
This is the right. So, you know, like September hurricane season.
Uh-huh.
River rise up to 8 feet high. One of them is a pump.
Cova. Oh, wow.
I'll just step the water they go.
Oh.
Down the trail.
Oh, wow.
Take your time. Come on the rock.
Oh my God! No, stop! I don't want to go to the water yet today. The water is so cool, guys. Woo. It is cold. Whee! Oh, did I put my tip? You're in the deep end? We are walking. It is so bad right here, guys. My boyfriend is the best. He's holding me, guys. Look at Nana, guys. Look at Nana going through the water.
Malalai.
He's telling her that she's gonna float and she's scared.
Nah.
She afraid.
You're good, mama. You might be, you're good. But you might be, man. Don't stand right. Me now go
A float, she a float?
I'm gonna make sure float. Come.
The best lifeguard. Look at him. He's so nice, guys.
Follow me. Take your time, man. You can sit through the water and the water.
Yeah.
You can sit through it.
Yeah, me can sit through. No, no, no. Woo! You can't swim? Where you go? We're in Jamaica! Good time?
Yeah.
Hey, show me you having a good time. Show me. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh. Uh-huh.
It's so much sand.
Yeah, there's a lot of sand. Jay, are you having a good time?
Yes, yes.
Show me a dance. Hey, 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 hey.
Right? Just not get up. Ooh, ooh.
Why are you laughing?
Oh my God.
Finally.
Finally. We not reach it. A long way we have to go here now. You ready? Bang.
Look at that now.
Stop! Oh, you're not rocking me. No, put the water. I'm so tired. How about people coming
You can walk, come down this? Right deep. You can walk?
On the damn ship.
The water is so cold. Nana, eh. Sit back. Nana, sit back. Let's have to get it in the water. How long you said this was? 3 miles?
That's a long time?
Peeps, what you do? Let's go.
Hey. Ooh.
Why you like that?
I'm what?
Only that me know what to do down the rapids.
You see, down the rapids. You let go, you're dead.
You can hear the rapids from afar. Listen.
No, I want to change this, man.
Eh?
I want something there.
Dave. Man, I said, get him. My daughter don't want you to go away.
I don't want to drown when he's gone.
We're not gonna drown.
Why? It's so quiet. It's so...
How old is your daughter? 14, okay.
Why so quiet?
Okay, congrats. Nala, open your eyes.
Oh, stop that
Hey, whoa, whoa.
That's not laying down like this.
Nah, malalay.
This is not a water park.
Oh, that door.
Ah!
You know the code. Woi, woi, woi. Woi, woi. Hey. Woi, woi. Ah, malalay. Don't scared, mama. Breath.
Breath.
You saw that?
Breath. Breath. Darling.
Guys, you have to remember, one of Jay's fear is water. He cannot swim. I can't believe he was so brave to do this. I was so terrified.
All right, just relax. Look for me now. Over to me. Down and over.
Go for him, go for him. How deep is it? Guys, I am no better. But one thing about me, I am brave. I cannot swim, but the lifeguard is there. I told him to meet me at the bottom so he can catch me when I jump. And I take chances. You only live once.
Yeah, over there, so yeah. You can't stand up here, so. It's deep. Get some breath, no man. Babe. Yo, take her outside, tell me that.
When God gave me this little girl, I'm telling you, bravery, OMG. This girl will do anything and she's only 6. You go, Naya. Woo, 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 woo. 1, 2, 2. Good girl. Good girl. Yo, we're here, guys. Wow. Look at them. We're on a little boat now, guys. All these little flies in the water. We're on a boat. Oops. So we're on a boat, guys. I guess we're going to be paddling. They gave us paddles. We're on a nice little blue boat. And we just transferred from the floaty to the boat now. So we're paddling the rest of the way. Over here, taking it like a G. She's paddling. And yeah, guys, see you in a few.